Yo, what is up with Florida right now? Thomas and I are here looking for iguanas, so just exploring, seeing what we can find. Alright, so here is where the crime scene is. This iguana froze out of this tree. Suspicious? Very. Nope, I'm good. This is pretty scary, but we just in this secret passageway we found another one. Man, these iguanas do not know what to do with themselves when it gets cold. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. What would we do without our scooters? So it's pretty nice out here. I mean, there's a nice full moon. Wait, Thomas, do witches come out during the full moon?
Yeah, sure.
Oh. Check out this meaty mama. Wow. I didn't know they froze that big. It's chunky monkey. Perfect condition too. He'll wake up in about a couple days.